Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on AIZOPlan. In this video, we'll explore the Program Studio in AIZOPlan, a vital link between strategy and execution. Programs in AIZOPlan are always connected to portfolios, ensuring strong strategic alignment. A program can represent an Agile Release Train in the SAFe framework, a product, or a group of interdependent projects. A program helps you deliver value incrementally through value increments, forecast and allocate funding with greater precision, manage dependencies across multiple related projects, support structured change management at the program level. You can create a program in Program Studio. Click Add, fill in the core details, like title, dates, estimated budget, and owner, and validate. Once created, your program appears in the program backlog. From there, you can edit details anytime, link it to a parent portfolio, update impact, priority, or complexity. If you're working with the SAFe framework, you can refine your program using the SAFe canvas. Define things like MVP scope, program structure, NFRs, and expected value outcomes. Let AIZO assist with smart suggestions and field completion. That's a quick look at Program Studio in AIZOPlan, your go-to tool for creating programs with clarity and control. Thanks for watching.